That is excellent. Without too much ado, but with sufficient recognition of the skills and talent of our CEO, who is an innovator, developer, and an AI expert, who is the one who is bringing all of these opportunities to us. Shavez, thank you very much for being here and giving us your time and energy today.
Thank you,
The floor is
guys.
yours.
Hello, everyone. Welcome, everyone, to UK Prime Time. Hope everybody's doing good. All right, so many exciting things happening. Okay, so I will start one by one. First of all, I believe all of you celebrated Christmas. I wish everybody Merry Christmas once again and hope it went well. Today is also something, right? Boxing Day. It was yesterday? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe today is also something. 25th to 1st, there is every day something. So yes, good days are going on. So let's, okay. So one by one, because I was not here on Wednesday call, so I could not update pretty much on various things. So starting from BTCC ecosystem. Uh, in the BTCC ecosystem, as we are seeing, the price is growing. Uh, Everything is on track. You guys are harvesting BTCC now. People are buying when they are receiving their boomerang refunds. People are buying, swapping their Bitcoin with BTCC, and that's how we push it as a community. That's how we collectively make the coin great. So we also released a very good video this Christmas on BTCC, and that's how all the um, uh, barriers or everything that comes along the way uh, is surpassed when there is consensus, just like Bitcoin. So BTCC is going, and we will see it on a next level very soon. So with BTCC ecosystem, with regards to that, I have promised last week that we will release the node interface also for node runners on BTC20 Smart Chain. So this is underdeveloped interface, which is currently being deployed on the testnet. We have also test network with BTCC. When you go and connect your wallet, you will see your test net BTC20 test network as well. So over the test network, we have deployed the node interface, and we are now working on enhancing this UI. So the basic infrastructure is built. So in the node interface, market cap, gas price, current gas price, and transaction amount in last 7 days will be visible. How nodes are generating this kind of APY, latest block size, how many transactions are going on, 24 hours, how many pending transactions which require the approval of one of the running nodes are there in the queue. What are the transactions, the amount of transactions in 24 hours, how many nodes are operational, what is the network utilization of BTC20 Smart Chain, number of transactions in last 7 days, their graph. So everything that a node runner should understand and know and learn is available on the node interface that we have built. So this interface may be with a more uh, impressive look, but basically with this information will go live very soon. And okay, so
Terwijl iedereen in paniek is en hun aandelen aan het
the update is this. Next, okay. So next we will move on to liquid pay. So we are calling 9pay now liquid pay, and we are very close to the launch of the app on both the stores and the website, of course. So the process is going on, the testing is going on every day. We are testing it, and the pilot cards, the cards which will be given on completion of KYC, a successful completion of KYC by users will be given for free. These pilot cards will be operational or will be valid for or will be expiring in 1 month. So let's say I download the app. Let's say it goes live today. I download the app, I complete my KYC, and I generate my card. So the card that I generated will expire in 30 days. And let's say after 1 week, someone else generates a card. So that card will also expire after 23 days. That means 30. This is total 30-day period in which these pilot cards will be operational, and they will have same benefits, same features, same functionalities. That's why I'm not calling it a test card. I'm calling it pilot card. This is the launch of liquid pay on a pilot basis. This is how you understand. If I will call it test version, people will think that this is not, real Visa card. It is a pilot card. Okay, so this will go live before next Wednesday, hopefully. So before you guys see me again, card will be live, and there will be special Zoom which I will organize, and we will inform you before. But you all should be prepared, I think, even beforehand, to run offers, to start promotions, to go all in the market, and teach anyone about the spending mechanism, how spending is done, and what you need to be prepared for before the launch. You need to have USDT on Polygon network. So initially, with the pilot card, the only currency that can be spent will be USDT on Polygon network. So that's how we will start it. And once the pilot duration will be over, we will have more currencies acceptance, and everything will work like that. What pitch deck shows. Just a moment. Sorry. Okay. So this is how pilot cards will be functional for 1 month, and after 1 month these cards will expire. The expiration date of this card will be 31st of January only. So these cards will expire technically, and then you will generate your purchased cards which you have already bought on WAAS and which new users will buy on WAAS. These cards will be activated simultaneously once the pilot cards are expired. So this is the process, how it will work. I hope I have seen many people already created websites, started promoting, which is good. The community is ready, It's it's really exciting, and I'm expecting huge influx of new users to our community, and also huge network expansion of all the leaders who are working very hard and who are already prepared for the liquid pay offer to go live. I think people who are leaders who are working for promotions even now, and they have already started it, they will be able to maximize their network by 3 to 4x. This is very easy. It is going to be very smooth and easy process. Okay, after the updates on liquid pay, next we will move on to capital 3.0. So the voting process is finished, and we still got some people who have not voted so far. But it's okay. We will start the claim process now. To claim your allocated tokens, all you need to do is uh, to go to the website directly now. So you will connect your Ethereum wallet, which you have given for allocation, directly to the project website, and all the investors, all the VCs who have invested in that project, that's how they are claiming their allocations. So as we all are, as a DAO members, we are all investors only. So we will also connect our wallet. Our wallet is also whitelisted for the vesting period of 24 months. So just like other VCs, just like other investors, we will also connect the wallet and we will claim our tokens. It's a one-click process that is given by the project to us. So we don't have to do nothing inside. So Capital 3.0 DAO's allocation, the job is done from here. So what happened actually when people were confirming their Ethereum address on the dApp, some people by mistake they entered Solana address, they entered some wrong address. I don't understand how it happens, how people enter wrong address or some other address. I mean, if I enter some address incorrect, I know the funds are not going to reach to the other person. It's as simple as that. If I dial the wrong number, there will be the call will not go through, right? It's as simple as that. But I don't understand how you guys, you know, mess it up. But it's okay. We have, so these things were not in our control. Once you submit the address, it goes to the contract, and contract sends information to the project. And then they have their own claim process inside the smart contract that automatically processes your claim. But instead of everything that is automated and totally held by the contract, I requested the project to send me the data. And I requested for 24 hours to correct the data and send it back to them. So you guys still have people who have by mistake entered their Ethereum address incorrect. Or I heard there is one group of people of more than 150 people, they have entered their address incorrect, all of them. So it's their chance, it's other people's chance to get their addresses correct. So all you need to do, the Google form is there, it's out already. You need to provide your Solana address, what you have used for voting, and where you have, the wallet which is connected on Capital 3.0 DAO, and the number of votes that you have voted, the incorrect address that you have submitted, if you remember, and the correct address which you want to correct. These details you need to provide within 12 hours, and I will start the process of correction. Once this is corrected, the claim feature will start, and you guys will be able to claim your project tokens directly from the website. So no more dependency between I have not received the tokens on users' behalf. Users will receive the token directly from the project. So, okay. And once you receive the tokens, what you can do? You can do three things. One, you can sell these tokens. These are totally liquid tokens in the market. You can sell them easily. Already listed on exchanges.
Dit winnende product geeft mij €23 winst per...
Second thing, what you can do, you can hold these tokens. The price, because next month also there will be huge vesting that will go out in the market. So the prices, the supply, number of holders, everything will increase. And the project is of a deep utility. So you can hold these tokens. Third, you can use these tokens as gas fee on DODO, on other Ethereum products, on any Ethereum product. You don't need to keep Ethereum as gas fee as long as you have this token. So you can do three things with this allocation. First, you can sell. Second, you can hold. Third, you can consume these tokens as gas fee when you operate on Ethereum or on Base. Base network is also a network which accepts Ethereum as the gas fee. So Base gas fee is Ethereum only. So you can use it on Ethereum as well as on Base. And as DODO is going live on Base as well in next 2 weeks, so you can use the token on Ethereum as well as on Base. Okay. So this is about allocation, and this is how claims will happen, and claims will start by Saturday late night, and I think that's how first allocation will be out, and then we will start the process of again some people who have not voted, some people who have who still got incorrect addresses or something like that will happen. We will still correct their positions. We will still correct their addresses for next week. Once the claim process will start, then the job will be of the project. Then I will put my team in collecting all the challenges, all the issues, and we will do the voting again for the same project. I don't want people to be left out in any way. So we will do the voting process again for this same project, because next month vesting is coming. See, I have not claimed the tokens in my wallet. The project and users are interacting directly. So if users will not interact, if users will not claim the tokens will be given to whom? It has to come to our community, right? So I will make sure that we will redo the voting process again for the users who have not voted, who could not vote, who are not well, maybe they missed it, they were not able to do it. I will do the whole process again. Don't worry about it. So the next week we will start the voting. I will give the whole steps, what needs to be done, everything. Okay. And once this re-voting is done, and even after that you have tokens in your wallet left or some C30 DAO tokens, that can be claimed in the next project also. So don't worry. Every single C30 DAO token is valuable. It will not go waste, never. And it has one value. It is a voting token. It has a dollar value. So it will never go waste. It will never be in your wallet doing nothing. Okay. So after this process of voting for the same allocation again, second, we will move on to the second allocation, probably week after that. So that will be post New Year's. And this second allocation process is a little more complicated, because this is not, a layer 2 solution or EVM. This is a layer 1 solution. So their wallets are new, their wallet addresses are, everything is new and strange. So you have to download the wallets, you have to do a lot of work. Process will be same, process will be similar, but at your end you have to ensure that you understand how to download the wallet, how to set up everything. So I will hold one leaders call also tomorrow, and I will explain to all the leaders as to how and what needs to be done in order to be prepared for the second allocation to go smooth. And you all are learning as well. I know, I understand this may be little complicated for the people who are not very familiar. I mean, our whole community is familiar, but still it is the first time on this. It is the first time of Capital 3.0 DAO to distribute allocation. So I understand. And this is why I'm reconsidering and extending dates over and over, kind of pushing. So this second allocation, after second allocation process, I think you all will be well trained, experts at this, and there will be no challenges, there will be no mistakes also. Just make sure whenever you write your address, you write it correctly. That is basics. Okay. So allocation part is done. Now let's move on to DODO. So as I said, base layer is coming on DODO. In couple of days, we will see base network also operational on DODO. And over the base layer, there will be indices as well. These indices, as you all know, base gas fee is very, very low. So you will have the opportunity to buy indices on base as well. Okay.
This AI tool will
also, we are ready with we are in the testing phase with the margin trading on DODO. So next Wednesday, the coming Wednesday, I'm going to train the community on basics on margin, how it will work, how indices can be bought and everything. All right. And one more important thing, this community indices are live on DODO. So you guys can see official indices and community indices. Over community indices, the indices made by community members, created by community members are mentioned here. You can visit the profile of the creator and you can check who is this, how much percentage profit they have made so far, and they have created this index. What their index is doing, how many assets are there in this index, and the similar way, the growth and everything. So you can see this is one more person who has created index. They have also made profits. They have two favorite indices also. So everything with regards to customized index is working. So you can also create your index. You just have to decide a name, write a small description, select tokens, the best ones you like, and then write your email address, pay 0.1 Ethereum fee, and your index will be live within 24 to 48 hours by our team. Still, we have more applications that are under process. Our team is creating one index every day, and we will be publishing all these indices one by one of the community. By the way, I am also creating some indices of my favorite assets. So I will be releasing my indices. You will see in the community. When you will see in the community section, you will see various indices. You can filter by growth, by AUM, by volume, in every way. So I think in couple of months, we will have a long list of indices by community. And as you can see, this index is from Vietnamese community, and already $56,000 worth of indices, this index have been bought by the users. So people they trust their leaders. They want to, they believe what their leaders are saying. So that's why they're buying it, I believe. So this is game of conviction only. While, you trust the instinct of other trader, or you understand how the other person might have decided these assets, what sort of ability they have. So it's all about that. And then you see their portfolio, how much they have made so far. So you can understand if the other guy has made money, has good returns, has done really well on Dodo. So they are creating index you can buy. So community indices are going to be very interesting, and people are going to have really good insight over the market. So I invite everyone to make their own index and promote it, and get your own traffic to follow your insights, follow your narrative. All right. So this is about Dodo. Next upcoming Wednesday, we are going to get into the training process of
Werk waar en wanneer je wil.
of margin, and we will understand how margin will work on Dodo, and how you guys will be able to borrow loans to buy indices, and what sort of calculations will apply. So this is it for today. I believe I was able to establish clarity, and then there will be one more Zoom for the launch of Liquid Pay. So stay tuned. Whenever you get a message, join on call, and the next call will be of Liquid Pay launch. Thank you. Back to you, Grace.
Thank you, Shavez. That is amazing. We're going to go ahead and be able to finish up the new year with a real bang or begin the new year with a few more firecrackers. Fantastic lineup. The Liquid Pay, I am so ready for that. And so many people lined up. So thank you very much. Would you like to entertain any questions at this time? Or?
Not today. I think everything is clear. Leaders just need to understand and listen to me what I said, and just stick to that. And next week, every week, as I say, is very, very important. New things are coming. So just stay on track. Make sure people who are not able to join us, I see only 230 people are there on this call. So spread the message. That's it.
Okay, excellent. Thank you again. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas.
Yes.
And we're definitely looking forward to the new year. Lucky, thank you so much for being here. How are you?
Hi, Grace. Hello, everyone. Hi, Shavez. Thank you. Very well. Thank you.
Great, great. Thank you for being here. So, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our event for today. Really appreciate you being here. But as you know, more people need to be here so they can learn and earn, because that's what this organization is all about. So we will see you at next week, as Shavez has stated, for training. And until then, please have a safe rest of your day. I give you back your day, and I say goodbye. Bye-bye.